Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adore Beauty by Jenny, and I'm doing quick short minute series of new face products that I found at Sephora. What this is, you guys, is their new strawberry BHA plus AHA salicylic serum that is supposed to smooth out skin, clear any fine lines on the face, and also reduce the appearance of any little bumps or blemishes that you also have, maybe possible wrinkles as well. I found this serum really interesting. It's very new. It just came out again by Glow Serum, and by Glow Recipe, and I'm so excited to give it a go. Okay guys, so this actually has a pump, which is very nice, and the bottle is made out of glass, very high quality, and we're gonna try this on our face. Okay, now that my face is nice and squeaky clean, we are going to try out this Glow product right here, you guys. Again, it has 2.5 BHA, 1% AHA blend, which is salicylic acid and mandelic acid, work together to decongest blemish, causing the buildup, gently exfoliate dead skin cells. Also smooth the looks of bumps and fine lines. A plus on that. I really like that, you guys. Next up is 3.5 strawberry. It has strawberry water, leaf extract, and enzymes. Help reduce the excess of oil, hydrate, and gently reduce resurface skin. That's what it says. Okay, and then it has 3% alicic acid, liposome, and this is to help smooth and sensitize blemish-prone skin, brighten the complexion of the skin as well, which is super exciting because definitely need that. And then lastly, it says it hydrates, smooths, and decongests the skin. So let's give it a go. Only a clear serum, you guys, and it smells absolutely amazing. Here's a better view and better lighting. I really like this serum, you guys. Since it is my first day using it, it is a bit too soon to see if it's going to work on the fine lines, like on my forehead, my smile lines, but I will be coming back with an update through the comments below to give you a true update to see how it's been helping out my skin. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!